You're welcome to Karma Studios. Burkina Faso's leader, Ibrahim Traore, the current president for the people of Burkina Faso. He was spotted playing football and he is trending because of playing the football. And I'm going to digest and then give you all the gist and whatever is surrounding the incident that is making this man trending in the weekend. Now, here is Karma Studios. Any Dikanya over this platform, so I'll urge you to subscribe to this platform so there be any updates. You will get notified on our platform. It is very simple. His Excellency Ibrahim Traore, the president for Burkina, he was spotted playing football with the legends in this continent, one of the best footballers, and then many of our legends in football. I can make mention of Okocha. He was spotted playing football. Okocha, the legendary Adebayor from Togo, and some African football legends. And he is trending. Some people are trying to say that, yeah, this man, how he is doing his things, it's mind busting. With first, I thought Togo was a francophone country, so I thought because of their relationship with Togo and all that. But I saw Okocha from Nigeria playing the football too. And then this man, the way he was scoring the goals, if he wasn't destined to be like a president, he would have been a footballer. The man is so well in playing football. We share the video. I'm trying to see because no, this man knows how to play football. Yeah, scoring goals just like Ronaldo, celebrating just like Messi. I love this man. Now watch the video.
Réaction. Il n'a pas sifflé. Il n'a pas sifflé.
This is why President Ibrahim Traore is trending over the weekend. And when you go to the comment section, how people are commenting under the comment section is what is making the video trending. Someone came under the comment section and said, "No, I sent this video to Tinubu and he blocked me." God damn, how are you going to send this video to Tinubu? Because Tinubu cannot play football at the moment. Because Tinubu, when you need rough, when you need papa. And I don't channel, but all the same. And then someone also came under the comment section and said, "No, I sent this video to my president, to my former president, and then he also blocked me." And I was under the comment section. I was watching and I was like, why would you do that? Why would you do that? Send a video to this kind of video. Are you trying to tease your president? Are you trying to tease your former president and tell me no, he cannot play football, so you gotta send it to him? What should you do? Some people, whatever you're thinking about this video, you need to drop it under the comment section. Let us know whatever you think about Ibrahim Traore playing football with the legends, and then people are applauding this man. He is not only developing his country but also putting the smile on the people with their faces, and then he also entertaining, because when you watch his videos, he went to the rural areas, the villages, trying to encourage the farmers over there to farm very well. And then he's not only going there to do verbal appreciations. He brought in tractors and all kind of that to come and support the local farmers to do their job so that the country can feed and depend on their own. You see what this man is doing? He has already written his name in one of the best African presidents we have ever saw. But we pray that God protect this man from these people. I know they have been planning and plotting, but because of the love the people have for him, they cannot bring him down. Hi, Karma Studios. If this is your first time, kindly give us a like, subscribe to this platform on all social media platforms. We are on Facebook at Karma Studios. We are on TikTok at Karma Studios, and then YouTube. You can subscribe and then share this video, like it, and drop your comments under the comment section. I go by the name Siki the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. I'm out.